Karen, your chef for the day, and our menu is Thai baby squid. And our ingredients are baby squid, spring onion, sugar, fish sauce, corn oil, lime juice, and green paste curry. So heating the oil in a wok, add the green curry paste, and stir fry for 1 minute. 1 minute, add the baby squid, fish sauce, sugar, and stir fry for 1 minute.